Okay, now I'm getting ready to remove my chicken. I'm going to remove it out the pan, but I'm going to be replacing it back in the pan. It's been 25 minutes, but you also want to check the temperature of your chicken. It should be at least 165. Okay. Tablespoon of butter. And go ahead and add my shallots and my garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken broth, and this is actually spicy chicken broth. Add in my red pepper flakes. And go ahead and add in my heavy cream. For about 5 minutes. And just let it thicken up a bit. And this is actually something different that I'm trying, because I never tried the spicy chicken broth. So we're gonna have a little spicy taste to it, I hope. Okay, I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes. I almost forgot. Add a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The lemon juice in there to make the lemon juice is gonna complement the rest of the season. I added the lemon juice in there to give balance to the other seasonings.